A very good morning to everyone. In this video, we will study a new topic of English language, that is conjunction. So let's begin it. What are conjunctions? Conjunctions are joining words that join words or groups of words in a sentence. They also join two sentences together: and, or, but, because, and so are conjunctions. Let's understand it with the help of an example. A football is a nice birthday gift. A toy train is a nice birthday gift. These are the two sentences. A football and a toy train are very nice birthday gifts. The above two sentences are joined by conjunction and the sentence becomes shorter and the two sentences are combined in one. So conjunctions basically are the joining words. Now let's study conjunctions individually. The first one is and. The conjunction and is used to join words and sentences that have related ideas. For example, Rohan blew the candle and cut the cake. We ate cakes and chocolates at the party. In these sentences, the conjunction and is used as the sentence have related ideas. In first sentence, the conjunction and join two sentences, that is Rohan blew the candle and another one is
The above two sentences
cake.
Are joined
by
conjunction and
conjunction
the sentence
and
becomes
joins
shorter
words,
and
that
the
is
two sentences
cakes
are
and
combined
chocolates.
in one.
So this is all about
Conjunctions
conjunction
basically are the joining words.
Now let's study about another conjunction, that is or. The conjunction or is used to join words and sentences in order to show choices. For example, we like to dance or play games. Eat an apple or banana if you are hungry. In these two sentences, the conjunction or is used, and in both the sentences, the conjunction or is showing the choices. So this is all about conjunction or. Conjunction but. The conjunction but is used to join words and sentences that have opposite ideas. For example, Rohan blew the candle but he did not cut the cake. She ate two cakes but still hungry. In both the sentences, the conjunction but is used and it is showing the opposite ideas in both the sentences. Conjunction because. The conjunction because is used to join sentences in order to show reason. For example, they could not play outside because it was raining. Ashok passed the exam because he worked hard. In both these sentences, the conjunction because is used. The conjunction because is basically used to provide or explain the reason that why this thing happened. In first sentence, why they could not play outside, the reason was it was raining outside. In second sentence, why Ashok passed the exam? The reason, because he worked hard. So basically the conjunction because is used to tell us the reason. So this is all about the topic conjunction. Thank you everyone.